Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Please excuse my voice, I'm currently suffering from allergies, but I really wanted to talk over this part because I wanted to share with you how I've been planning my outfits as of lately. So what I do is I simply just screenshot the images of things that I currently own in my wardrobe from the sites that they come from and put them on a Canva board, move things around so I can kind of get a visual of how I want to dress, how I want to look. And today we're actually headed to a luncheon, so this is me planning my look, and you guys will see how it looks on in just a moment. So I decided to wear that crop top that I told you guys about, but because I have a lot of boobs, I decided to just wear a bralette underneath. I'm not too worried though because this is going to be covered with my blazer. The main thing they're gonna see is like a little bit of the crop top, some of the bralette, and I think it should be fine. I'm pairing this outfit with some white or like off-white trouser. I'm going to wear Air Forces to kind of like tie in the white together. I don't want to wear heels or anything because it's very it's just like not like a heels day, and I'm gonna be in the city pretty much the entire day. After the event, I'm gonna go find a cafe and do some editing. It's now Tuesday and my vlog has yet to be approved, so I'm just kind of like, to kind of break up the white and stuff, I'm gonna just add this blazer, which is kind of like an oatmeal shade blazer, which is gonna look pretty nice. And then I'm gonna just bring the Jacquemus bag. It's very much a lunch looking, like luncheon bag. It's very summer, spring. I'm just gonna wear this crossbody, so this is gonna like be what it looks like. Let's do jewelry though, because I really want to do like a nice little stack today. See how, let's say, like these square ones look. Okay. Trying on these pearl ones because they match with my pearl necklace very, very, very well. So I could do like a little we could do like the pearls. I feel like this is very like pretty, but is it too much? Is it too much? Is it too much? So this is like a little dome ring. I don't know the exact name, but that's gonna go on my ring, my middle finger there. I'm gonna take the Cartier ring here, and I'm gonna stack this with a half like diamond ringy thing here from MEJURI. Stack that like that. This finger, I'm gonna do like these signet rings, like this like single diamond ring on my pointy finger. So this is gonna be like the stack. Because I have the pearl in the earrings, I kind of want to tie in pearls somewhere else as well. So maybe I could do like the pearl on the wrist kind of. Here at the event, and look who I ran into. Guys, I am obsessed with her page. Love her so much. And here's a little overview.
Thank you, because I saw so many persons here and very emotional.
Aww.
See, present the brand is here.
Just wrapped at the event, now heading to a cafe to edit. It's so lovely, food is great. Now let's figure out where we're headed. I'm going out to an appointment to get microlinks installed. So I tried microlinks for the first time like 3-4 weeks ago, and I'm obsessed with the process. I'm obsessed with the look. it's just giving me what I want it to give me. It's giving me soft life, it's giving me versatility. I can do ponytails, I can do buns, I can do updos, I can literally do so much, and it's still almost like a sew-in. And also, I think my hair prefers this a lot more. I feel like the braids from a traditional sew-in has just been like, they've been too tight, and my scalp is just angry. So the micro links is way less tension, I feel like. But all in all these hair methods, they can be damaging if just not done correctly and not maintained the right way. So I mean, potato right? So what I currently have in my hair now is micro links. I mean, they're old and greasy right now, but so anyways, long story short, I typed it on Google, micro links in New Jersey, found a couple salons. I called a few, the vibes are very bad, very bad. And this one lady picked up the phone and gave me 10 minutes of her time, broke it down, explained, and asked me to come in for a consult because she can't give me like a definite answer or anything without seeing my hair in person. We did the consult. She told me that because, you know, like some breakage here and there, she wants me to like flip my side part on this side, asked me what my goal is and blah blah. And then I chose the texture hair I wanted, and then today's my appointment. So we're gonna go in, she's going to take down what I did, and then she's going to put some new micro links in. She's gonna wash my hair, condition, that whole, it's gonna be a full day. So yeah. Hey guys, so I didn't check in with you guys when I got home after doing my hair because it's been work ever since I got home. Like, first I ran to do my nails at MEJURI at Fina Nail Bar. I just got my French nails. I know you saw me with French before, but I just went to get it done like with the hard gel because the hard gel lasts way longer on my nails. Regular gel polish, every day they're chipping and I don't know why because I don't do anything, but the hard gel is way stronger, so I went to just get that, and this will last me for like 2.5 weeks before I need a fill. But yeah, after that I came home and I got started on shooting my campaign. I had to shoot. I shot on this bigger camera. This is my M50. This is my Canon M50 with the Sigma lens on. I mean, it's not like a fantastic camera. In fact, I really hate it, but I just have to work with what I have. This is like how the pictures came out. I just did a very like, I shot in this green dress, and I tried to shoot under like this area so the light was behind me to give like a, I don't know, I kind of like how it looks. So we'll see. Yeah, but anyways, I got my hair done. I'm gonna make a microlinks video answering all you guys' questions about it, but I'm obsessed with my hair. She did a great job. I am so obsessed. I love the hair quality. I love the technique she used. It is flatter. Do you guys see that? It is flatter than flat. So flat. And I just love the versatility that microlinks just give you. Like, I can just do various things. Right now it's a little bit tight, so I can't really flip it how I want to flip it. But once it loosens up, I just have so much versatility, and I love that. But for now, let me just go get this, skim through these photos, see which one looks good, submit it to the brand, and then I'm gonna get started on cleaning my room for the day because it is so messy in here, like so messy, and I cannot go another day with this mess. So let me just do this work and then I'll come back. Good morning. So I thought I would walk you guys through some of my favorite products to use in the morning to just achieve like really healthy, glowy skin, and also my updated everyday makeup routine because I get that question a lot. So starting off with what I use on my body right after my shower, it's the new Sol de Janeiro Beige Fleur Elastic Cream. So this body lotion has collagen, which just really helps to make your skin. Next up, I like to go in with my beauty water and just a cotton square here. This one is by Sun & Park, and I love to use this to get rid of any product the soap just didn't get to. All right, time for my favorite part, sunscreen. This one is by Supergoop. I bought 2 more during the Sephora sale as backup, but I like to just apply this to the face, and I kind of go very crazy with this. All right, time for makeup. We're gonna go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm gonna put this all over my face. All right, I'm currently in the park. Stopped at Starbucks to grab my dirty chai latte and a croissant. I have all my stuff here because I'm shooting a campaign, and I think I'm gonna set up right here. Yeah, so let's get started on that. This is the background that I've settled on. We have this rock here that acts as the perfect table and chair. All right, let's do it. We have 20 minutes. What's funny about this campaign, it's hard seltzers, and it's actually a really hot day. And I'm thirsty, so I'm actually drinking at 10 o'clock in the morning, but I'm working, okay?